What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Escape remote key fob. This Ford Escape key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using in order to replace this key fob battery is a quarter. If you don't have a quarter handy, you can use a flathead screwdriver instead. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side, we're going to see there's this notch right here. And it's the perfect size to stick a quarter in, like that. Then once I have the quarter in there, what I'm going to do is just twist it. As I twist it, you can see it pops that back cover up. Once we get that back cover off there, we see our battery right here. And sometimes this battery will just kind of pop out, but if not, I'll just press on the one edge and it'll kind of come out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. Set it down in that holder, positive side up, plus side up. Then we'll snap our back cover on, make sure that's all the way on there, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.